Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we are going to do a very special sneaker unboxing today. As you can see, and you've probably read the title, look, it's not a normal box. So SJ, over there on Sneaker Cam, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and you're going to speed up about now. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, let's get rid of the knife. Oh yeah, I've heard about this. So, you can see already that these are not coming in a normal Nike box. And for keeping them nice, the person that sent me these has kept them in a Ziploc bag. All right, so let's get them out. Oh my word. Oh, SJ. 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 Oh my word. These are some blazers and a half. So first of all, everyone, these are clearly not new. I bought these off of someone I found on eBay, and I'm just going to bring this into you first. Look at that. That is a thing to behold. You have a look up there. It's so nice. Now SJ, have a look. So we've got, clearly everyone, we've got a very special blazer. Very special, lovely condition for a shoe, SJ, that is from 2008. And these were actually kind of like a celebration of the 2008 Beijing Olympics. I believe with a Hong Kong artist called Michael Lau. And there is so much going on with these. They're also, even though they're SBs, he says, looking around, I'm convinced they're SBs, they're actually BMX. Oh my word, and like, just look at the sole, they've hardly been worn. We've got a lot to look at, haven't we? We've got a lot to look at. So first of all, base red laces. I think the first thing I'm gonna just point out before we go, I normally do this last, look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. China there. Now I think that these were part of a pack. There was about 6 shoes in the pack. So firstly, lovely soft leather. Got the swoosh here, but we've also got this sun here, I think, just to represent China. We've got on the back here, Beijing 2008 BMX. Now this thing here, this lovely piece of leather, now I'm going to bring that right into you, SJ. That is to represent the tracks that the bike leaves. And if I look at them, you can see they're slightly indented like a tire. So we flip onto the inside. That sun's continued here. We've got this detail here. And that follows through on that side. The leather on these is ridiculous. It's a lovely padded blazer there, lovely yellow. And this, the swoosh is not made up of the same leather as here. It feels like a nubuck. It feels really soft, spinning round. Now I'm just going to have a look at the other shoe while SJ does a little walkthrough. I'm looking at the other shoe now. Now, the person that sold me these also provided me with some alternate white laces in an SB bag. I am not going to swap the laces out. They are a US 11.5, everyone. They're a US 11.5. Now, let me just read the code tag on the inside. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah. 314. 070771 on the inside, and the tag on the inside has got them from so between looks like January and March 2008. Now let's have a look at the inner soles. The inner soles themselves, I don't know if I can take these out. Yep, I can. I'm gonna take this out. So we've still got, you know, even back then, you know, we're talking 11 years ago, we've still got a Zoom heel unit there, that really low profile heels just to prevent some bruising on your heels. But if we look at the back, so we look at here, where it's also replicated on the inner sole there as well. Again, hardly been worn. We can see that there. Lovely loveliness. Lovely loveliness? That makes no sense, does it? So there we go. So I am gonna, let's talk to you, camera, too. Oh, wow, this is so nice. So nice. Picked them up for a steal. Yeah, you have a look at that. Hopefully that is coming across and is in focus. Focus on that. Yeah, it is now. It's in focus. Oh, it's so good. These are such lovely blazers. You know, and obviously people say we're the blazing squad, which has many connotations. There you go. Oh, look at that. Marvel at the tongue, everyone. The leather on them is ridiculous. It's so padded as well. See if we can just bring that right in. It's so good, so good. So, you know, obviously I've gone through that and I've not actually asked you the usual stuff. So if if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget to hit the like button and all of that stuff. If you're into podcasts, we've got a podcast going. It's called Sneakers and Stories. It's called... Yeah, I think there might be some there might be some bean related noise happening. Yeah, Sneakers and Stories. You can find it on all your favorite podcast platforms. If you're into if you want to join us on Sunday nights, it's Sneaker Streaming Sundays. That's about 8 p.m. UK time. 12 p.m. on the West Coast and 3 p.m. Oh God, we're so childish here. It is early in the morning as well. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Did you like these? I am really pleased I got these. I really like this little, I really like that little BMX detail right here. That actually is Velcro and that will Velcro off, but obviously I'm never taking that off. We've also got, not surprising, but at the bottom there, you can see those little stars just down here as well. So nice. So SJ, got these for a steal. No box, obviously I'm going to keep them in the Ziploc bag. What do you think as a blazer? Because you're the blazer queen.
They're well nice.
Aren't they? So nice. Such good condition for a shoe that's from 2008 and has been worn a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Like you wouldn't think it, like even just look around the collar. Here, there's no wear. There's no... So, the microphone fell off. I neglected to check that it was actually switched back on when after it fell. It did turn itself off, so we recorded an end bit. So yeah, SJ really likes these. These were my first eBay pickup. I'm not sure if I've said that yet. What was your best pickup on eBay? Where do you normally go apart from StockX, or Goat? I just want to say a big shout out to the person that sold me these. They're so nice, so nice. So I think if we haven't done all the subscribe bit, it's all down there. I think we may have done that already. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. And we'll also catch you on the stream, and hopefully you can listen to the podcast as well, Sneakers and Stories. I think that's it, SJ. Is that it? Is that it? You do like these, don't you? You're a big fan. Big fan. Slightly jealous? Yes, I thought you might be. Do you want to do your weird flyby? So SJ's flying by now. Lovely, lovely shots. Here we go. Beauty. Get in there. Get in there. That's the money shot. We really got to go because I don't think this one's going to last much longer. I'll see you later, people. Bye. Have a look. Have another look, you lovely people. Boom.